Working on callbacks right now. And this is an apartment complex. And when you get to a big storm like this, all of this gets to be a problem. Nope, we don't want to do that. Almost got the truck stuck right there. So you can see these giant piles that are here in between the cars, and so obviously people don't want them there. It's hard to get into your vehicle. So I'm working on cleaning them out. This particular spur has a bunch where all the cars are out, so able to clean up some of these spots here for the first time. This is one of our toughest residential sites. So because all but one vehicle are out of here, now I'm able to clear all the stuff in the middle on these. So we often have people ask, hey, we want help, can you help clear? And we can, but we can't clear where there's cars. So people need to move their cars. Sounds like a simple thing, but that's a challenging thing for some people. So here we're taking these out, swiping everything right down the side, and now we're able to fill this in. We can see how we're running out of parking here. We're able to clean up a lot of this. This is going to be much better for everybody. Now, if that truck were there, I could clean up both sides. Or if the truck were in the first spot, that would work better. But we're getting callbacks. This is our second day. We've already gotten 2 callbacks today. Probably be getting them even some tomorrow as well. And then you can see how high the snow is stacked here. I don't even know if I can make this turn. You got another car that's buried. Yeah, see I'm struggling to make the turn here with this plow. Oh, I can pull the wing in. Forgot about that. So I'm going to pull in the wing, inch forward, tilt the plow, just going to barely inch through, and then we've got all the snow here in the front as well. So I just got to do some site photos. And then be on to the next site visit.